Hello everybody! Do you recognize that woman on the screen? Yeah, you're right. It's Malala Yousafzai. She is from Pakistan. And she is the author of my favorite book, I Am Malala. What is the book about? The book is about a young Pakistani girl who advocated for girls' education in her homeland in Swat Valley in Pakistan. Unfortunately, the Pakistani Taliban targeted her because of that, and she was shot while she was going to school. She was very young at that moment, and she was taken to a hospital in the UK, in Birmingham, for treatment, and doctors saved her life. Some years later, as she narrates in her book, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Why? Because she continued advocating, fighting for girls' right to education. She says that when a girl is educated, the whole society improves. Why do I like the book? Because it's a story of leadership, resilience, love for life, solidarity, and the most important, caring about others education. Malala currently works all around the world with her foundation in order to provide education to girls. I really recommend the book. Thank you, Malala.